Hi everyone, Joe Gentili from Saroff Gentili LLP. So today is June 9th. The air here in New York is finally clearing up and we can see the sun. So these last few days have been crazy. Thank you, Canada. In any case, so today's video is about I-751s and delays related to that. So the I-751 is a form that you have to file, a petition you have to file to remove conditions on your green card if you immigrated to the US through marriage. And so there's really strict timeframes in the law for how long the government gets to decide one of your cases if you file one of these. So they get 90 days to decide your case after you file it if there's no interview. If there's an interview, then the maximum amount of time in total could be 180 days. So for those of you going through this process, that law may be a bit of a shock because USCIS rarely follows it. I think right now, the average processing times for 751s is about 34 months. So the maximum amount of time allowed by law is 6 months, but they're on average taking 34 months. So this is not a law that USCIS is respecting very often. The good news is that the law is still in effect. If you file a mandamus lawsuit and you cite this makes for a very strong mandamus lawsuit. So a mandamus lawsuit, for those of you that haven't watched any videos on this before or haven't researched it, these are lawsuits that we file in federal court saying that a delay is taking an unreasonable amount of time. Judge, you need to compel the government to make a decision on my case. And those cases are very strong in general for immigration delays, but there are some categories like the 751 where they're particularly strong because there's a law that says this is how much time USCIS gets to decide the case. And when they don't follow that, when they're outside of that, it's a hard case for the government to defend. So these cases, 751 mandamuses, they get good results a lot of the time, most of the time. So if you're dealing with a 751 delay and it's causing you a lot of stress, anxiety, or real problems in your life, this is not something that you just have to accept and just wait until the government's ready. You should consider looking into filing a mandamus lawsuit. I think it's probably worthwhile, if you're considering it, to consult with an attorney that's experienced in filing these or really filing any type of federal litigation, just to go through the specifics of your case and to see if the case makes sense for you. So if you have any questions, please feel free to reach out. And if this video was helpful, please subscribe. Oh, one more thing. The citation for the law that I'm referring to that says how long the government gets to decide 751s. If you take a look in the description of the video, I'm going to put it in the description of the video and also a link to it. So anyway, hope you all have a good day. Thank you.